What is going on, guys? Welcome back. So the last time I had this bad boy on the back of my tailgate of the truck talking about it was almost exactly 6 months ago. That's why today we're doing a 6-month review. I've used it quite a bit this last winter, ice fishing, out on the boat, things like that. And I just wanted to talk about it. A lot of the main comments on this thing was, you know, it's kind of an overthought design with the cooker and this and just how they go together. And honestly, I kind of found that out throughout the whole winter. And another thing was the electric igniter. There is a AAA battery in here, which this is the igniter. And you can hear it's a lot slower from the previous when I, got it. I haven't put a new battery in it. But what I found is when I stack stuff in my sled, this button anytime is there, something leans up on it. I'd come out to my sled with all my gear in it and this thing would be ticking because something was leaning against that. So that's one thing that kind of was a no good thing, as well as the button, just pushing the button. I pile stuff in, pile gear in, and in the back of my truck one day it was, this knob was just pushed in, and my whole truck smelled like propane. So just a couple of the kind of not good things right off the bat. But in a standard ice shack, which is probably 8 by 8 or so, on a 30-degree day Fahrenheit, it would keep it nice and warm. Perfect, everything worked good. But when the temperature got around the 0 mark, which up here in northern Wisconsin happens a lot, it couldn't keep the ice shack warm on high. And I know this isn't 11,000 BTUs, but it just wouldn't keep it hot. I did take it out in the boat with me about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I couldn't get the darn thing started. I don't know if it's the battery. I have an extra battery. I'm gonna put it in here, see if it goes, because honestly I haven't been able to get it started in the past couple weeks. So I'm gonna throw a battery in this bad boy really quick if I can find out where I put them. Okay, so I grabbed a battery. I'm gonna slap it in here. Really easy to get at least it's not like under a screwed cover or something. And right off the bat, the difference is crazy. So let's see if I can get this thing started, because like I said, I haven't got it started in just a minute here. And I've tried new propane tanks and everything, and it's popping, it's trying. I'm gonna bring you guys in on this. It's trying to go. I've switched out propane tanks a couple times. This one still got good fuel in it. I don't know. I mean, it is still full. I don't know if there's something in this valve or something. This one's a full one too. Obviously, Mr. Heater has to have a lot of fail-safe features in these things, because it's a heater and can burn something down and the legalities. So there's a lot of safety stuff back behind this, and that might be a small issue that this is having, is why it's not starting. It pops, it goes. This winter it worked pretty good. If you have a smaller setup, it'd probably work really good for you, but this here is just heavy. It's big, and everything is, again, it's kind of backwards. You have to turn the whole unit around to use it. I don't know if there's a fitting out there, but if you could get a fitting for this to kind of go right to one of these, this would be sweet, because then you'd have, a little cooker. But this is heavy. If you're about weight, which, most camping people that would use this would be weight conscious. This is like this doesn't even weigh a pound. You're gonna carry extra propane cylinders with you anyways. So my book right here. Great concept, great idea, but for me, I mean, out of 10, I'd have to rate this like a 6 or something. It works if you have, say, a small space you need to heat. I mean, I'm talking pretty small. In 30-degree Fahrenheit and up, anywhere below that, it's gonna struggle to keep up. So I'm gonna stick with the old buddy heater that I had, and this is just gonna go on the shelf, and I'm gonna use this bad boy for cooking. And like I said, if they could update this to maybe get a fitting that this can go directly to one of these, it'd be all right, because it does have a, you know, a more level cooking surface than obviously this is more tippy and whatnot. That's why you have one of these with the feet on it, and then the cooker. So that's where I'm at with my 6-month review. Can't get the darn thing started. When it worked all right. But yeah, that's that. I hope this helps people out. If you guys have had the same issues, or you have a little bit warmer climate and you love it, great. But like I said, about a 6 out of a 10 for me. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.